The SmartSubmit page has 4 main sections. The dock bar, the left and right panels, and a footer. On the dock bar, you can see the logo and the navigation links. Help to navigate to the relevant wiki page in a new tab. Tour for an online walkthrough of the submission page. Exit to close the SmartSubmit page. Next, let's look at the left panel. There is a greeting and the current book name, and a few shortcuts for quick access. When a chapter card on the right is selected, the left panel updates to show chapter-specific information, files, and available actions. It has 3 sections: Guidelines and Previous Edition Files, which has the submission guidelines, instructions, and previous edition files. Download Files, which displays reviewed files once they have been returned to the author for revision. Upload Files, where authors can submit files. Manuscript file should be used for submitting the main manuscript. Other files should be used for submitting additional materials such as artwork and supporting documents. Now let's look at the right panel. This is the portal name, SmartSubmit. Here, you can toggle between pending chapters and all chapters assigned to you. The default is pending chapters, which shows chapters currently assigned to you and require your review or revision. If no chapters are pending, all chapters assigned to you will be the default. You can only download or upload a chapter if it is in your pending queue. This shortcut allows you to switch between the default card view and a list view. Assigned chapters are displayed as cards. If a chapter has not yet been submitted, it appears as an empty card. Once submitted, the card displays the submission details. Clicking on a chapter card highlights it with a blue border. The left panel displays its details. The footer bar has a Submit button for completing and finalizing the chapter submission. These shortcuts are for viewing the project form and your contract and affiliation details. While your affiliation can be updated at any time, a signed contract is not editable. The Info shortcut provides a legend of the icons used.